Welcome to the Indian Central School Community Engagement Webinar titled Making a Difference During Lockdown. To make a difference in someone's life, you don't have to be brilliant, beautiful, rich, or perfect. You need to care enough and be there. A famous quote by Mandy Hale. Good morning, dear parents and all the dignitaries on the virtual platform. We extend a hearty welcome to one and all and take this opportunity to acknowledge the efforts laid up by the management for making this day possible. Our management, headed by our chairman, Mr. K.O. Matthew, a visionary educationist.
Yes, one.
Mr. K.O. Matthew, a visionary educationist and a dynamic leader, supported by an eminent team of key personnel. Mr. Ahmed Al-Fala, Vice Chairman, Mr. Sundaram, Corporate Manager, Mr. Subin, Operational Manager, Dr. Shanta Maria James, our Principal, who had always been a source of encouragement. Ms. Stephanie Matthew, the Executive Member, is the brainchild behind the Community Engagement Webinar. Her innovative ideas and meticulous observation did make a difference in shaping today's presentation. All this time, we express our gratitude to the entire team which was working behind the screen. Mr. Bobby Joseph, Mr. Granty Joseph, Ms. Suchindra Banerjee, Ms. Asha Kadras, Ms. Gigi Hudson, Ms. Shailaja Shetty, and not forgetting the IT team for the technical support that were extended until now. Thank you all. Myself, Shamla, and my colleagues, Ms. Neena and Ms. Kripahari, will be the presenters of the day. Before we move further with the session, we request everyone to look into the ground rules for the day. A maximum of 250 participants will be permitted on MS Teams. The floor is open for the question and answer session during the last 5 minutes. Please keep your microphones in mute option until the question and answer session begins. Any unanswered questions would be answered later by our ICS team. It's over to Kripahari.
नमस्कार, इंडियन सेंट्रल स्कूल के इस कार्य प्रणाली में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज का विषय है मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन। कृपया इस कार्य प्रणाली के सभी नियमों का पालन करें और खास तौर पर अपने माइक्रोफोन को कार्यक्रम के चलते समय तक बंद रखें।
Gratitude is always a right attitude. It's indeed a privilege to appreciate all the frontline workers around the globe. When everyone else is asked to be at home to be safe, this community is asked to be at work and support the victims of COVID-19. Their selfless, noble actions are the most radiant pages in the biography of souls. The most radiant people, we salute everyone working for the Ministry of Health and the Police Department for their sacrificial act. Kripa.
निस्वार्थ भाव से किए जाने वाले हर एक काम प्रशंसनीय है ही नहीं, महान भी है। इंडियन सेंट्रल स्कूल सभी फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स यानी सीमावर्ती कार्यकर्ताओं की सेवा को सलाम करता है और सदा उनका आभारी रहेगा।
As we move further, let's have a glimpse of what the presentation has brought to us today. To begin with, we have focusing on the best that we can deal with this morning, enjoying lockdown with the family and the family's influence on our children, personal time, reflecting our personal life, 6 C's to cope. Since there is no medicine for this COVID-19, prevention is better than cure. Here's a message delivered by the Director General of World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Adhanom, expressing his views on the pandemic COVID-19, focusing on the positive side of it and to overcome it. Let's listen to him.
It is changing significantly. Is no difference. Now taking her on from home because her school is closed. The rest of the world, even the most severe situation can be turned around but the experience of cities and countries that have pushed back this virus give hope to the rest of the world. During this difficult time, it's important to continue looking after your physical and mental health. This will not only help you in the long term. First, eat a healthy, nutritious diet. We know that for many people, life is changing dramatically. My family is no different. My daughter is now taking her classes online from home because her school is closed. For the rest of the world, that even the most severe situation can be turned around. But the experience of cities and countries that have pushed back this virus give hope and courage to the rest of the world. During this difficult time, it's important to continue looking after your physical and mental health. This will not only help you in the long term. First, eat a healthy and nutritious diet, which helps your immune system to function properly. Second, limit your alcohol consumption and avoid sugary drinks. Third, don't smoke. Smoking can increase your risk of developing severe disease if you get 19. Fourth, exercise. WHO recommends 30 minutes of physical activity a day for adults and 1 hour a day for children. If your local or national guidelines allow it, go outside for a walk, a run or a ride. Keep a safe distance from others. If you can't leave the house, find an exercise video online, dance to music, do some yoga, or walk up and down the stairs. If you're working at home, make sure you don't sit in the same position for long periods. Get up and take a 3 minutes every 30 minutes. Fifth, your mental health. It's normal to feel stressed, confused, and scared during a crisis. Talking to people you know and trust can help. Support other people in your community can help you as much as it does them. Check on neighbors, family, and friends. Compassion is a medicine. Listen to music, read a book, or play a game. And try not to read or watch too much news if it makes you anxious. Get your information from reliable sources once or twice a day. COVID-19 is taking so much from us, but it's also giving us something special, the opportunity to come together as one humanity, to work together, to learn together, to grow together. I thank you.
Yes, COVID-19 had taken away a lot, but has given us a valuable thing too, to stay with our families. Over to Krupa.
लॉकडाउन के इन मुश्किल दिनों को कैसे गुजारना है, इन्हें कैसे सुनहरे फलों में बदले, इसी विषय पर सुझाव दे रहे हैं WHO यानी विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के निर्देशक डॉक्टर टेड्रोस। हमेशा स्वस्थ और पौष्टिक खाना खाएं, मीठे पदार्थ कम करें, तंबाकू और धूम्रपान बिल्कुल मना है, व्यायाम करें, मन को शांत रखें।
Children are a heritage from God. Here's the scriptural saying, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Certainly, we care for our children, and hence we are here to take away a few tips to make the best use of this time during lockdown. Remember, we are dealing with a highly receptive age group. Definitely, whatever we show them, that is what is going to be reflected in their future days. Krupa.
बच्चों को अच्छी सीख देना माता पिता का कर्तव्य है, क्योंकि हमारा आज उनका कल है।
Let's begin with our topics today. Enjoying lockdown with the family, playfully. Playing is one of the important activities and the most enjoyable ones for our children because they love doing it. All the more when the parents join them while they're playing. And it promotes team spirit. And indoor games and singing with them is amazing. Narrate moral stories. This is what is lacking in the present scenario. It inculcates morality in their lives to make them better human beings in this world. And the next step that we can have is the most fascinating activity, dance for pleasure. Let's take away a few steps that we can implement during our free time. Let's watch.
जब भी आप डांस करते हैं तो उसकी कुछ काउंटिंग होती है तो जो भी काउंटिंग होगी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 के बाद फिर से 1 तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं जंप से जॉइन योर फीट टुगेदर 5 6 7 जंप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 क्लियर अब इसे राइट हैंड करेंगे और इससे से अप करो and then pull in like this then left okay so 4 times हम right से करेंगे 4 times left करेंगे 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 good now अब इसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है जो हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप है उसे कहते हैं ओके इसमें बेसिक करके जॉइन राइट लेफ्ट राइट इन लेफ्ट आउट राइट इन सेम पैटर्न से 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 अब इसमें these two are soft now ऐसे नहीं होना this soft 1 2 3 okay 5 6 7 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 okay अब इसमें स्टार्ट करते हैं 1 2 3 5 7 okay 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 5 7 good चलो अब हम फर्स्ट स्टेप और सेकंड स्टेप को दोनों को साथ साथ करते हैं 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 right hand up roll your hands like this okay so first right side then left side 5 6 7 8 go 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 good last one अब हम क्या करेंगे टर्न करेंगे right left right together left right left together okay one more time 5 go right left right together left right left together clear अब इसमें बस लास्ट ऐड करेंगे 1 2 3 5 6 7 okay 7 और सबको एक साथ करेंगे ओके लेट्स डू 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 7 8 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 1 stop 5 6 7
A cheerful heart indeed is a great medicine. We'll carry our topic to the creatively spending time with our children. Every child is unique and creativity is doing something different from the others. Creativity will boost their self-esteem, fortify self-awareness, and develops their communication skills. This is one of the most important skills which helps them to stand a chance in the competitive world. And this is where we can enhance their skills by communicating to them different issues and different things that are around in a small way. Give them a topic to enhance on that, to communicate on that. The next one would be informatively spending time. Here is the point where we need to understand the value of time need to be inculcated into our children. We have around 86,000 seconds in a day within 24 hours. How are we spending this time? How constructive is it with us? the quality that on a one particular habit which is lacking in the present generation is the reading habit. This can be enhanced. Let's teach them that books are their best friends. Watch informative channels with them like National Geography, Discovery, and many educative channels are there. Revise the lessons taught during e-learning. We are having e-learning classes right now, and let's spend some time teaching them through the platform that we have at school, DS Digital Portal. We can just use it to bring in a lot of concepts to teach them again and again until they understand. Right use of media is what is the demand of the hour. Let's make the best use of this time to inculcate these qualities in our children. Over to Krupa.
लॉकडाउन एक दुविधा नहीं बल्कि एक वरदान है। परिवार के साथ मिलजुल कर रहने का समय है। समय का सदुपयोग रचनात्मक और सूचनात्मक काम करके बिताए, जिससे बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास और आत्मसम्मान बढ़ती है।
Due to the present situation, the lockdown, our children are away from schools and the outer part of the world. It's a blessed time for the parents to have a great impact on our children. Influence of family members on children. The picture that is displayed on the screen is of Dr. Thomas Alva Edison, a scientist who was the inventor of the electric bulb. We all know this. And his childhood was not a very pleasant one. He was a dropout from the school where none of the schools really accepted him. That was the time when his mother, Miss Nancy Edison, played a crucial role in his life and a great achievement to bring him up to the level of being a scientist. And another example that we have, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, referred to as Missile Man of India. He has a great testimony for his parents. Goodness and kindness from his mother and honesty and self-discipline from his father was inculcated into his lifestyle that he says he was a successful man because of these qualities. Definitely, our children will reflect our image. How are we making a difference in their lives? That is what matters. And let's take this time to impact them with the best way possible. In order to have an impact on them, we need to have a transformed lifestyle. It's over to Ms. Krupa for the Hindi translation, followed by Ms. Neena for the further presentation to be carried on. Thank you.
माता पिता सिर्फ जीने का सहारा ही नहीं बल्कि बच्चों के हीरो भी है। बच्चों की जिंदगी में जरूर परिवार का प्रभाव पड़ता है। माँ के प्रभाव से ही एडिसन एक बड़े वैज्ञानिक यानी साइंटिस्ट बने। दूसरे हैं हमारे विश्व प्रिय डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, जिन्होंने खुद बताया है कि उनमें जो भी खूबियां हैं वो सब उनके माता पिता की देन है।
Thank you, Mrs. Shamla and Mrs. Kriba. Good morning, everyone. The scriptures say, encourage one another and build one another up, and to comfort one another, to be a light to the world and be the salt of the earth. It's a privilege to be a part of the Indian Central School Community Engagement Program. The coronavirus pandemic is causing a lot of frustration and worry, but it's not what happens to you, it's how you respond to it. Although we can't control a lot of the external circumstances in this crisis, something we can control is what we focus on, our emotions, our thoughts, and the present versus the future or past. You heard how to make a difference with your children, but what about you? How can you make a difference in your life? Don't neglect yourself, but take some personal time. We have always told ourselves that if we only got a few days off, we would do this or that. From learning an instrument to glass painting or reading a book, there are countless ways we can utilize time for ourselves. Following a new passion such as embroidery, carpentry, or learning new skills, maybe a new language, COVID days can be an opportunity to upscale. Take good care of yourselves and you will be able to take good care of your family. Reach out to friends and relatives you haven't been in touch with.
हिम्मत मत हारी, ये काले बादल भी हट जाएंगे। कोरोना के इस फीके समय में हमें न केवल परिवार के लिए बल्कि अपने लिए भी वक्त निकालना बहुत जरूरी है। अपने अंदर छिपे हुनर को परखिए और खुद को या खुद के बेस्ट वर्जन बनाइए।
Don't forget to keep your body and mind fit too. Good health not only helps you to operate from a better mental and physical capacity, it gives you the energy needed to keep making a difficult decision, executing ideas, and supporting others during this crisis. Exercise, though not everybody's favorite activity, can actually be a lifesaver. This pandemic is challenging us in ways we could not have imagined. It showed us how our life is fragile and our freedom is threatened and our way of life is put to the test. This is bringing us face to face with immeasurable stress, worry, and grief. This is where meditation comes in handy. It's important to take at least 5 minutes to yourself. Clear your head of all tangled thoughts and anxieties. It reduces stress, increases focus and productivity.
एक स्वस्थ शरीर में ही एक स्वस्थ मन रहता है। अपने तन और मन दोनों को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए व्यायाम और ध्यान बहुत जरूरी है।
Now we have some tips or the 6 C's to cope during the corona times. First, be calm. Project a sense of calm through this difficult, uncertain situation as your family looks to you to do so. You create the environment your children live in. They are watching our body language, our energy, and us. If we are calm, it will instill calmness in them. Second, be confident. Project confidence that you're going to be able to see through successfully with minimum amount of hurt to the family. Third, communicate. Reassure and talk to your family to keep a sense of order. Reassure your children and family that it will pass. Your child is hearing all this talk about COVID 19, and this can cause anxiety and fear. So, talking to them can help your child make sense of things. Fourth, collaborate. Assign tasks for children so that they feel accepted and have a role in overcoming the crisis. Give them opportunities to help and provide support. School age children want to be independent, but family relationships are still the most important influence on development. They often play out ideas they've come across at school or in the media. For example, you might find yourself serving dinner to a rock star or a policeman. You might be the patient to a child playing doctor. Help your child learn and practice basic social skills like sharing. Let our children remember this time not as a scary time, but as a time we persevered. Fifth, community. Let us set an example of model behavior. The greatest gift we can give someone is our time. When we give our time, we're giving a portion of our life that will touch someone else's life. Social distancing doesn't mean isolation. It means you take time to foster deep connections with others in new ways. We can be a good neighbor. Sixth, last but not the least, be compassionate. Rise to the occasion to give compassion to those in need. There are many people who are looking for a kind word of comfort. Stay in touch with a greater frequency so that people don't feel abandoned.
खुद पर यकीन कीजिए और कोरोना के इन कठिन दिनों को डर कर नहीं, डट कर सामना कीजिए। हमेशा शांति से, आत्मनिर्भरता से, सहयोग से, संजारता से, आपस में प्यार बांटकर, सहानुभूति से मिलजुल कर रहिए।
In conclusion, rise like the phoenix. Out of suffering have emerged the strongest souls, said Khalil Gibran. The phoenix is a good example. It is a legendary bird that is half eagle. Phoenix rising from the ashes, as the story goes, is a mythical bird with colorful feathers that lives up to 100 years. It makes its nest on top of the highest mountain. The sun's rays burn the bird and nest to ashes. And from those ashes, a fledgling phoenix arises, renewed and reborn. The suffering and pain we are going through, companies are closed, jobs lost, people are sick, schools are closed. There is a lot of uncertainty about the future. Many of our plans have been sidetracked. We have many questions as to what to do and how are the ashes we are in. We may be overwhelmed by the challenges around us, but we manage to survive and rise from those ashes. This too shall pass, may seem empty words now, but the clouds do part in their own time. We will emerge whole and clear in new and wonderful ways. Remember, it is always darkest before the dawn.
अमर पक्षी एक विशेष पक्षी है जो अपने घोंसले को ऊंचे पहाड़ियों में बनाती है। सूरज की गर्मी से उसके पंख जलकर भस्म हो जाती है, मगर उसी राग से निकलती है ये सुंदर अमर पक्षी अपने रंग बिरंगे पंख फैलाते हुए। ठीक उसी प्रकार हमारे सारे बुरे वक्त भी निकल जाएंगे, हमारे जिंदगी में भी रोशनी बहुत जल्द आएगी।
Please watch the next video brought out by the Ministry of Health with the message Prevention is better than cure on how to face the pandemic.
Thank God for your safe return. As soon as you return, make sure not to touch anything. And it is especially important that you take off your shoes outside. Then once you enter, leave all your personal belongings in a designated storage box by the front door. You must take off the clothes you are wearing and put them in a specific bag to be washed appropriately. Either take a shower or wash the areas of your body that were directly exposed to the outside air. Don't forget to clean your personal belongings using soap and water or alcohol. Try cleaning the surfaces of diluted home-use chlorine. Be sure to use gloves and then dispose of them once you're done. Now we come to your spare time. Oh, how beautiful it is to be home and spend time with your loved ones. But that's not all. You can use your time to prepare meals or perhaps do some exercise to make the best use of your time. We ask God to keep us all safe. With greetings from the Ministry of Health Media Office.
So stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. This situation we are going through can be a reset or restart button for us. Let us commit ourselves, our families, and children to God and pray, for our help comes from God. Thank you, and thank you for your time. Over to Mrs. Shamla for the question and answer session.
घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, हो न मायूस, हो कोविड-19 के ये इन बुरे दिनों से भी हम गुजर जाएंगे। हम सबकी जिंदगी में ये एक नई शुरुआत है। आइए पुनर्प्रारंभ करें।
Thank you, Ms. Reena and Ms. Kripa. Thank you to your parents to having been with us all this while and for your participation. Hope this session was constructive and useful for you and for your children. Now it's time for a question and answer session. May I request you to unmute your microphones and please come up with your questions if you have any. Here's a question. How do we engage our children while we are at home, at work? Now, this is a common question by many of the parents. And as due to this present scenario, the situation, lockdown conditions, and everybody is at home, the children are around and most of the parents are working from home. Now, this is a concern of most of the parents. Now, the best answer could be keep them with independent activities. Now, the question follows, what are the independent activities? Now, there are a lot of activities for this particular age group. Like the best way is to put them independently with some building blocks, art and craft work with safe tools, not to harm themselves. Picture puzzle to solve. This will not need any of the elders' assistance. They enjoy doing it. And there are many activities like, if volume is not an issue for the parents to work on, you can just switch on a video or a dance video that the children can enjoy learning. The next question, how do we prioritize? Certainly, our children play a very crucial role in our lives. They have an enormous importance in our just living. We live for them. So obviously it is the children, they take the priority. We plan everything according to their convenience and their benefit. So here is a website which is displayed here. This is for your information. Dear parents, please do watch this webinar. If you want to watch this webinar again, there's a recording of the session and the handout will be uploaded in community engagement page of our website. You can just go and then download this handouts, and then you have a lot of sites and then links for your children to use them in the later part of the day. And then you can just organize them and then give them a lot of information available and the links that you can follow. There is another thing that we would like to inform you regarding the feedback. We appreciate if you can just download the feedback form and fill it out and submit it to us so that we can reach out to you at a convenient time. And there's also a recording you can just look into if you want to have a look at this. And this is a small effort by ICS family to provide you with sources that can help your children grow, so that at the end of the day, we sit back and say, there is no greater joy than to see our children grow in truth. Yes, dear parents, as parents and teachers, we can come together to bring up our children and let them grow in the way that they have to go. We can definitely make a difference. So let's be different and make a difference. Thank you.